Welcome back. My name's Bryan Roschetzky. Thanks again for watching episode 2 of the Tesla Solar Roof Community Update video. We're going to fly around with the drone, check to see if we see any more Tesla solar roofs in this community, and check the progress of the few homes that we've seen with Tesla solar roofs already pre-installed. But first, before we fly over to the new Tesla community, I got a little question to ask everyone. How much do you spend on gasoline with the nation's rising cost of gasoline topping $326 billion? It's probably a good idea for everybody to start switching over to less and less fuel, preferably picking up a Tesla or an electric vehicle. Now let's head down to the Tesla Solar Roof community. It is a long drive down there, but I got a free charge on one of my favorite free charging stations. And when I arrived, the sun was hitting those solar shingles perfectly. And I keep hoping to see the Powerwalls being installed into these homes, but I didn't see it here on this first house. So I flew the drone around, looked around for some other new buildings with Tesla solar roofs. So we'll fly around as well and see what we can find. Let's go on a ride. I think the ability that this Tesla solar roof has to change the mind of a brand new homeowner that had no clue that they were even buying into a home like this, and then being amazed at the benefits that they get. And man, look at that Tesla solar roof. It looks beautiful. All right, now we're gonna head over to the second Tesla solar roof home. And this is a 2-story house. It's beautiful. And I thought I'd use the drone to kind of look around to see if I saw any other new buildings along the way. And I went ahead and just flew it autonomously and let it follow me on the way there. And with more than 300 sunny days per year, Austin, Texas is a wonderful place to have solar rooftops or these Tesla solar shingles. And I can't wait to see Tesla's true cost cuts from actually partnering with these builders here in Eastan Park. And I'm also really interested in knowing the home prices for these Tesla solar homes with the Tesla solar roofs and Powerwalls pre-installed, because most of these houses in Eastan Park go between $450,000 and upwards of $750,000. All right, now let's fly over to the last 2 Tesla solar rooftop homes, and we'll fly the drone over autonomously. It'll follow my car, and you can see the new areas of huge construction that's going to be building new homes all across this area. And here I had to fly around this large tower. It's a really amazing and gorgeous area out here in East Austin. As we fly around over these 2 last Tesla solar roof homes, I'd like to give a special shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. Their support really keeps this channel growing. There's a link in the description if you find that this video's brought you value and you'd like to help support the channel as well. You can get your name up on this list as well, just by supporting this channel for at least $1 or more on my Patreon. Chris Stevenson, Bob Callahan, Butch McIntosh, David and Sarah Delgado, Rick Thor, Tyler Schaefer, Russell Dixon, Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me on Patreon. It really goes a very long way. Also, thank you, David Wheeler, Clayton Handelman, San Electric, Devin Hunter, Leela Elliott, and EV Bike Dude. Thanks again for helping this channel grow and keeping this content coming. And for everyone else out there, thanks again for watching. The best form of support is being here and watching my videos. So thanks again. We'll see you next time here at the Tesla Roof community, because there's a lot going on and much more to see. So we will be checking the progress, because I definitely want to get back and check the progress to see when the Powerwalls will be installed. You can see the wires coming out of the side of the house there. I really believe we'll see the Powerwalls hopefully come in shortly, and I'm guessing the Tesla employees may come and install that themselves. If anyone knows anything more specific about the installation of these Tesla homes, please leave it down in the comments. We'd love to hear more information about that as well. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, we're here at the Charge Point stations in downtown Austin, and you're looking at the new Polestar 2 charging there at the Electric Avenue or Electric Drive. It's an entire street with electric charging. So let's check it out. Let's go check out the charging station and see what it looks like. See what the stats are like. See how fast it's charging. See how much money it's costing. Yeah, totally. So you can see right there, 88%. It's cost them about 12 to 13 bucks. They're almost fully charged, but it is going to take a lot longer now, because you can see the total kilowatts there is only 15. So it's actually starting to ramp down the speed to protect the battery inside the Polestar 2. But these chargers are solid, definitely working. All right, let's go get ours going. Now I have my car running right now. I got the AC on because I've been driving it all day. I wanted to cool down the batteries a little bit inside the old Kia Soul EV. So, oh, it's cold in here. So I'm going to turn that off. Pop that right there. There you go. There we go. We got the Chatamo. Boop. Pop it up, it up. There we go. All right. So we get the Chatamo here. Sorry, I got my my DSLR for this. Not the best wide-angle lens that I currently have on the camera. Should have traded it out, but I wanted to show it with my actual phone on this one. So we're ready. Here we go. There we go. Authorizing. Nice driving, electric. There we go. Now, I was at 45. I could have probably killed a little bit more, but I need to get home, so that's why we're fast charging, right? So there they are. Got 2 more stations down there. 2 stations here. 2 there. And 2 more over there.
Alright, well, just to wrap that up, guys. Getting this charging, doing well. Come on, charge point. Now if the charge point stock would just bounce back for us, if we can get that infrastructure bill passed, that would be amazing. So anyways, peace out here from Austin, Texas. Everyone have a great day. Peace.
Oh yeah, by the way, this guy here, he actually works for Enterprise Rental Car. And he said that Polestar was letting Enterprise Rental Car test out their vehicles. Pretty cool. And I want to let this out for everyone that's still watching, is that I really love editing and putting these videos together. It's like a puzzle that just kind of ends up coming together, and then you have this kind of like artistic creation that I just make over time. And or half of these clips were really not even meant to go in here, but as I put them together, I find the meaning that kind of comes from it as a whole. And I just want to say that this kind of stuff is exactly why I want the Cybertruck. I want to go out, enjoy the outdoors, and the bit of nature that is constantly under attack every day as we invade more and more of these wild habitats and these wilderness areas. So it's amazing to see people still out kayaking in the greenbelt of Austin, because this has been one of my favorite places to go and escape the big city of Austin, Texas, and just get out and enjoy nature. And that is one of the main reasons why I really still can't wait for my Cybertruck, because we will be going all across the country to national parks, 14,000 foot mountaintops, rivers, valleys, beaches, and everywhere in between. So I just can't wait. And it's not going to be easy. It's still a pretty expensive investment, but I see the future just like a river. I'm going to get beaten down. There's going to be paths along the way, bends in the river that may slow me down, or I might even tip over and crash and fall. But the chances to live a life that are unbelievable and just simply out of this world is definitely worth every second of this. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope everyone out there has a great day. And remember, just get back up, because we'll just keep floating down that river together.